Hi friends, are you looking for unbiased mybox247.com reviews? If yes, then stay tuned with me till the end of the video, as through this video I will help you to know about the legitimacy of this particular website. Also, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. And before starting, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and over this website you can see that MyBox247 offers cosmetic bags and cases. And guys, here we can see that almost all the bags are similar. They differ just in their print and color. In addition to this, products offered are very limited. Guys, before proceeding further, I would request you to like, share and subscribe my channel, because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's proceed to know information related to payments. So here we can see that the only payment option available is PayPal. Friends, now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that the estimated shipping time is 6 to 9 business days of ordering. While guys, here we can see that shipping charges are not specified. Now let's have a look on return refund policies. So here we can see that in case of defective goods, a customer can request to return the product within 7 days. And in case of wrong size or wrong color, a customer can request to exchange the product. And in case of return, refund will be initiated within 3 to 5 business days. Apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so again here we can see that no information related to cancellation is provided by the officials on the website. So now let's proceed to talk on those important points which will help us in checking the authenticity of this website. So guys, MyBox247 uses HTTPS connection, therefore the information you send or get through the website is safe, which is quite a positive sign. But guys, HTTPS connection alone is not sufficient to consider a website as legit. Therefore, let's check the registration details. So guys, the domain name of MyBox247 was created on 20 April 2021. Thus, the website does not have much traffic as it is new and is not much popular among the people. Also guys, a shopping website created less than 4 months ago is too new and potentially suspicious. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here we can see that company's address, its contact number and an email ID is provided, which is support@mybox247.com. But guys, MyBox247 lacks presence on social media platforms. Now let's talk on MyBox247 reviews, because guys, customer reviews are one of the most critical factor to identify the legitimacy of any website. So here in the official website you will see that there is no section for customers feedback, and as I said, it was registered just a couple of months ago. So over the internet I could not find even a single customer review regarding the quality of the items offered here. Also, the trust index of the website is just 1%, which is extremely poor, and again it is a negative highlight. Addition to this, MyBox247 is ranked 0 among million of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. And talking about the content quality of the website, so guys, it was found that the images of the products and the content over the website is duplicate, as it matches with many other scam websites. Also, there are many grammatical errors, which again makes this website to be highly suspicious. So guys, lack of customer remarks, low score on Trustpilot, low Alexa rank, copied content and duplicate images of the products makes us to doubt the authenticity of this website. So prevention being a better option, I would recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website or wait for a while till it gains popularity and positive feedback from customers, because there is a high risk of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about MyBox247 reviews. And apart from this friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below so that other viewers can know about your experience with this seller. And guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from omnipresent scamsters. Bye bye guys, stay safe, stay informed.